I am Jayanth from Ubuntu. I have completed my graduation in AWS College of Engineering and Technology, and I completed my course in electronic communication engineering. And I also completed my course in AWS course and DevOps engineering in Qtree technology. Let me explain about my project named as a Capstone Terraform Module project. Go to EC2. The command in Terraform applied with version control. The instance was created in EC2 instance in AWS Console. Join EC2. Then I go to VPC. Named as my VPC in VPC. Then I go to S3. The bucket was created in S3 bucket. Then I go to the cache. All the three resources are decided in AWS console. So yes. Terraform decide to remove the infrastructure and go to AWS console. We are fancy and check it whether decide or not. So my VPC name also clear. Thank you all.